Right, I've left Cear Caradoc. I've just arrived at the old the slate mine. So I'm going to take a little walk up the hill and yeah, see what this mine's got to offer. I feel a bit sweaty and mingy from last night, but yeah. Bearing in mind, this is the Blue Lagoon from where Hayes Outdoors, I believe, went to it a couple of years ago. So we're going to have a quick look at it, see what it looks like now. Now it might have changed, I don't know, but let's go and have a look. I've just parked at the bottom of the road, and there's an old track that goes straight up to it. So yeah, we'll pop up there and we'll have a look. Oh yeah, right, looks like I've got the weather for it. See, it's lovely. But we are going to find this secret entrance to the quarry. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. Ooh. Wow. I would say that's breathtaking, but I think I lost my breath just walking up here. Oh, I think this is a bit wet from last night, so I might slip. Slide everywhere on the way to the sliding line. That one's sticking down. I feel safe being on that one. Pretty damn cool. And zip forward. I love view. You can see the island a little bit. Obviously you won't be able to see it from the GoPro. It's like coming into an oasis or something like off whoa. Whoa, that's cool. Oh. That's pretty damn cool. Looks like I'm going to go down there and have a brewski. It's a hot day, but it is time to get down there and get a brew on. Things to note: there is no way in down there. There is no way in down there, and that sheep looks like it's stuck on a hill. gutted. I came to this Blue Lagoon, and apparently they've blown the hole, or blown the secret entrance, or what they used to call a secret entrance. It was like a cave entrance, and they've blown it to bits. So I think there was safety issues with it, so probably the right thing to do anyway. Now you can only get down there via abseiling down. No, it was nice to come up here, and I shall take a picture for the wife in a minute, but first I'm going to have a nice brewski. Back at the car now. Still disappointed. Really wanted to have a little dip in there, nice and cleaned off. But we're going off to the Malvern Hills now. I'm gonna have a little trek along there. They're supposed to be quite long. I've never been there, so that's gonna be a little bit of an adventure. I'm just worried about the weather tonight because I know it's rolling in. So yeah, should be good anyway. But I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, so let's get off to the Malvern Hills.